Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another Engel Völkers property tour. My name is Marilyn and I will be showing you around this amazing 5-bedroom ultra-modern villa in the Marbella Golden Mile. So get ready and follow me. This villa is all about the perfect mix of elegance, quality and comfort. Look at this beautiful open plan living room area and dining area that connects with the open kitchen. When building this property, they've only used the highest qualities and specifications, such as these lovely marble floors. We also have underfloor heating throughout the whole property. We have the latest air conditioning system and many more features. Distributed over 3 levels, this villa has 5 bedrooms with 5 bathrooms en suite. We also have an amazing solarium terrace on the top, as well as a lovely entertainment area on the basement below. So what are people really looking for when they come to Marbella? It's of course the sunshine. And the sunshine you can enjoy the whole day from this amazing rooftop terrace, from sunrise till sunset. Look at those amazing views also from the mountains and to the sea. And really, when we discuss real estate, there's 3 key words, and that is location, location, location. And this villa is located in the very best area of Marbella, in the community of Altos de Puente Romano. Altos de Puente Romano has 24-hour security and is only a little walk away from all the amenities, from the beach and from the famous Puente Romano resort. So you can just enjoy everything Marbella has to offer at your doorstep and in all comfort and convenience. So basically this is an ideal holiday home, very suitable as well for permanent living. So, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, you have all the information in the link down below, and please give us a like and subscribe to our channel, and until next time.